Cathode ray tube. Cathode ray tube is an electronic device used to convert electrical signals into visual signals. The main parts of cathode ray tube are evacuated glass tube, electron gun, deflecting system, fluorescent screen. Evacuated glass tube. It is a specially designed glass tube, evacuated to a pressure of 10 to the power -4 to 10 to the power -3 millimeters of mercury. Electron gun. Electron gun consists of a number of electrodes. Cathode. Cathode is a U-shaped tube made of platinum or tungsten, coated with a mixture of barium and strontium oxides. When current is supplied to the heating filament, it heats up the cathode to a high temperature, which emits a large number of electrons by means of thermo-ionic emission, grid. It is a nickel cylinder which encloses the heating filament and the cathode completely. It is maintained at a negative potential with respect to the cathode. As a result, the electron beam converges because of repulsion between electrons and negative potential of the grid. Electrons come out in the form of a fine, narrow pencil. This electron beam is then accelerated by means of anode A1 in the form of a plate with central hole. Another cylindrical anode A2 is kept to focus the beam further. This anode is kept at lower potential than that of anode A1. Fluorescent screen. This screen is coated with some fluorescent material called phosphor, on which the bright spot of electron beam is obtained. The color of light depends upon the nature of fluorescent material. For example, the screen coated with soda glass or zinc orthosilicate gives off green light when an electron beam strikes it, while cadmium and calcium coated screen gives off a bluish light. Deflecting system. There are two sets of deflecting plates. When a potential difference is applied to Y dash plates, it deflects the beam in the vertical plane. As a result, the spotlight moves vertically up and down in response to the applied voltage, and it traces out a straight line on the screen. Similarly, when a potential difference or AC signal, time-based voltage, is applied to XX dash plates, it makes the spot move in the horizontal direction. Applying sinusoidal signal, the spot reaches the end of the screen and again flies back to the starting point, tracing out a straight line on the screen. Summary. The cathode ray tube consists of an evacuated glass tube, an electron gun, which further consists of cathode, grid, accelerating anode A1 and focusing anode A2, a deflecting system, which consists of XX dash plates and YY dash plates, and a fluorescent screen.